So hello friends, from here we are going to start a journey in making very elegant videos like me using iMovie. If you watch my tutorials on iMovie, so let's start. If you see any video on YouTube, you first see there are titles. So we'll also add some titles in this. So as you go to the title tab over here, we get there are a lot of titles. So let me select the title. Yeah, this title is looking good. So if you want to add it, just select it. There will be a yellow rim around it and drag it into your timeline and double click on it. Then in the preview area, again double click and click a backspace and write whatever you want to write over here. So as you can see here, I have made a title over here. As you can see, it came like this: spicy chili at my home. So this is how you add titles into iMovie. If you want to delete it, just select the title in your timeline and click backspace. And if you want to undo, Command Z. And if you want to redo, then you can click Command Shift and Z. So I want it over here. It's looking just good. If you want to change the duration of the video, just take your cursor to the end of the title. It will turn into this kind of cursor and extend it as much you want. From both the sides you can do it. So this was how you edit titles and how you work with titles in iMovie. Thank you for watching.